Postal code and our address. It's a simple step. I believe by now you should have connected your ATM card to your Google Play Store and then connected your VPN as well. You must have done that by now. So let's go ahead, and in order to get our postal code and address, and also I believe you must have gotten your UK number as well. So if you've not gotten those, you need to go back, get them before you move to this stage. So right now we're putting on our VPN because your VPN needs to be on. Your VPN needs to be on. All right. Yes, our VPN is on, and let's see our location. Our location has to be UK, since it is where are you now? Our location has to be UK. Yeah, we're already in UK. So we're already in UK, so we connect. Yeah, we are now connected. Yeah, UK London. So we go to any browser. You can use any browser for this. Use any browser for this. Let's see, which browser should I use? Go. So this is how to get your address and postal codes. You go to come on, HTTP. Already know it. What's my IP address.com. Yeah. .com. Okay, looks like I spelled it wrongly. What? Oh, I didn't put is. So let's see if it will come up anyways. It's loading, so we'll wait a little. Yeah, so it's here. What is my IP address.com? You agree. I've agreed now. Give me space. Agree, and then you click for more details. One of the rest, because your IP address is not the same, different. So the state and the region is Coventry. City is Coventry. The state or region is England. So postal code for Coventry. Postal code for Coventry. What's the postal code for Coventry? So let's search it. C see CV1, CV1, 1AH, like that down. So what you will need to do here is just to copy the first letter, which is C. Alright, so we will continue at it. Let's open a new tab. So we are going to go to look for Dogal Postal Code Generator. Dogal, Doogal, Dogal Postal. Always create a matching address for the postal code, else you will be in a mess. So all you need to do now is copy your postal code and then copy your address. So that's how to get your UK postcode and a matching address. So that's that for that. See you in the next video. So just copy the highlighted part, 18 Bilston Close, that's your address, and then the second one is your postal code. Okay, don't mix it up. All right, it's as simple as that. Let's go over it again. 46 Queen Elizabeth Road, Newington. That's your road. That's your address. And then Newington is the city. Okay. And then your code, your postal code, your postcode is CV10 9AU. See it up there. I believe you can see it. So your postcode is CV10 9AU, and then your UK address is 46 Queen Elizabeth Road. That's the address, and then the city, the town is, God help me, Newington. However it is, but I believe you understand it now. So you copy it and place it where you need to place it.